Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which campaign did Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launch in March 2026 to educate citizens about the Income Tax Act 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prarambh 2026. Which state's High Court ordered the implementation of menstrual leave for working women across all sectors in April 2026? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka High Court. World Tuberculosis Day 2026 was observed on which date? Right answer is option C, 24th March. Which institute has established the Vikram Sodhi Center of Excellence to modernize geological and mining systems using artificial intelligence? Right answer is option D, IIT Kharagpur. The Terafab AI chip manufacturing project was unveiled by whom in 2026? Right answer is option D, Elon Musk. Under the Shanti Act 2025, India has set a target to increase its nuclear power capacity to 100 gigawatt by which year? Right answer is option C, 2047. Who has been entrusted by the central government with the additional charge of Chairman of DRDO and Secretary Department of Defense Research and Development? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Singh. Which Indian botanist received a WWF National Award for developing the neophyte ID mobile app to identify invasive plant species? Correct answer is option A, N. Alim Yusuf. Who has become the new chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes? Right answer is option B, Sathvi Niranjan Jyoti. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Union Cabinet approved the extension of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana 3 with an outlay of Rs 83,977 crore until when? Correct answer is option D, March 2028. Under the Bhavya scheme, how many plug and play industrial parks are planned to be developed across India during 2026-27 to 2031 to 32? Correct answer is option C, 100. Where has the Union Cabinet approved the setting up of a state of the art ship repair facility at a cost of Rs 1,570 crore in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Vadinar, Gujarat. Which artist was posthumously awarded the Padma Shri in March 2026 for preserving the art of the Kurumba tribe? Right answer is option D, Krishnan Raghavan. With which international organization has India launched a joint initiative worth Rs 169 crore for electric vehicle battery recycling? Right answer is option B, European Union. Which state government launched the Sikhya Kranti 2.0 initiative to deepen structural reforms in government schools with support from the World Bank? Right answer is option C, Punjab. Which ministry has launched the Janani platform to integrate antenatal and newborn care? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. What rank has India's metro network secured among the world's largest metro networks? Correct answer is option C, third rank. On which date was World Migratory Bird Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option A, May 9th. Gujarat's first sounding rocket launched from Dholera was developed by a startup based in which city? Right answer is option D, Ahmedabad. In May 2026, where did Union Health Minister JP Nadda participate in the 79th World Health Assembly? Correct answer is option C, Geneva, Switzerland. Which country partnered with India to launch a hydrogen fellowship program recently? Right answer is option A, Netherlands. Who won the men's singles title at the Italian Open 2026 tennis tournament? Correct answer is option C, Jannik Sinner. Which state government launched the One District, One Cuisine scheme to promote the unique local delicacies of each district? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which space agency has successfully tested the lithium fed magnetoplasma dynamic thruster to make travel to Mars faster and more efficient? Correct answer is option A, NASA. Which satellite of India's indigenous navigation system ceased functioning due to the failure of its atomic clock? Right answer is option D, IRNSS 1F. The approved 1200 megawatt Kalai 2 hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh is proposed on which river? Correct answer is option B, Lohit River. Which organization became the first Indian FMCG company to cross the rupees 1 trillion turnover mark in the financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option D, Amul. Which Nobel Peace Prize laureate released the book Karuna, The Power of Compassion in March 2026? Right answer is option B, Kailash Satyarthi. Who became the first brand ambassador of Jindal Stainless Limited in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ranveer Singh. In which city did Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurate the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone Conference in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Panaji, Goa. Who became the youngest T20I centurion at the age of 15 years in 2026? Right answer is option B, Fanny Utagushima Ninde. India announced that it would phase out the production of the ozone depleting substance hydrofluorocarbons after which year under the Montreal Protocol? Correct answer is option A, 2027. In March 2026, Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurated the International Conference on Carbon Markets Prakriti 2026 in which city? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. In which country's East Java province did Mount Semeru volcano erupt in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Indonesia. Which department signed an agreement to extend the Sampan platform to the government of Goa and the Cochin Port Authority? Right answer is option B, Department of Telecommunication. Which country secured the top position in the overall medal tally at the World Para Archery Series 2026 held in Bangkok? Correct answer is option C, India. Which state government introduced a free electricity scheme for handloom and powerloom weavers in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Three panchayats from which state won top honors in the Deen Dayal Upadhyay and Nanaji Deshmukh Panchayat Sustainable Development Awards? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. What was the name of the AI powered website launched by the Income Tax Department in April 2026 to assist taxpayers and simplify tax compliance? Right answer is option B, Karsathi. Domestic poultry and other birds across Europe were affected by an outbreak of Newcastle disease. Which virus causes this disease? Right answer is option B, avian paramyxovirus type 1. Which company introduced three artificial intelligence models MAI Transcript 1, MAI Voice 1, and MAI Image 2 in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Microsoft. Which organization built the indigenous nuclear powered submarine INS Aridaman commissioned into the Indian Navy in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Shipbuilding Center, Vishakhapatnam. According to an ICI MOD report, approximately what percentage of the glacier area in the Hindu Kush Himalaya region was lost due to melting between 1990 and 2020? Correct answer is option C, 12%. Which army command did Lieutenant General Sandeep Jain assume charge as the General Officer Commanding in Chief in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Southern Command. The Ministry of Education organized the Bharat Innovates Deep Tech Pre Summit at which institute? Correct answer is option B, IIT Bombay. Which Indian mountaineer created a Guinness World Record by climbing the highest volcanic peaks on all seven continents in the shortest time? Right answer is option C, Bhupati Raju Anmishwarma. Which country has launched the world's first commercial 10G internet network using the U6 GHz spectrum? Right answer is option A, United Arab Emirates. Which state government announced the Mukhyamantri Apna Sukhi Parivar Yojana for the poorest families in its 2026-27 budget? Right answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Scientists at the European Organization for Nuclear Research discovered a new subatomic particle, the Psi-Cc plus baryon, in the Large Hadron Collider. Where is this laboratory located? Right answer is option D, Geneva, Switzerland. Which country will host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games for the first time in 2027? Right answer is option D, Malta. In January 2026, which organization finalized negotiations with India for a landmark free trade agreement widely described as the mother of all deals? Right answer is option B, European Union. According to a Lancet study, what was India's global rank in terms of the total number of maternal deaths in 2023? Right answer is option B, second rank. Which women's Premier League player became the first to score a century in the tournament's history? Right answer is option D, Nat Seaver Brunt. What is India's rank in the World Trade Organization's latest Global Export Ranking 2025? Correct answer is option C, 19th rank. Indian Newspaper Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option B, 29th January. Who became the new chairman and managing director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited in 2026? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Khanna. Who became the first Indian to win the Willy Research Heroes Award? Right answer is option B, Dr. Chandrakant Lahria. Which union minister launched the Arogya Van initiative for medicinal plantations on vacant lands along national highways? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. According to the Sample Registration System Statistical Report 2024, to what level has India's total fertility rate declined? Right answer is option C, 1.9. Who received the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2026? Correct answer is option A, Kailash Satyarthi. Union Minister Amit Shah launched the country's first central bank digital currency based public distribution system in which city? Right answer is option A, Gandhinagar. Which railway depot became India's first water neutral depot in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Kankaria Depot, Ahmedabad. India's first hydrogen powered train is planned to operate in which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Haryana. Where was the foundation stone of India's first advanced 3D semiconductor packaging unit laid in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who will host the inaugural India International Conference on Democracy and Election Management 2026 scheduled from January 21st to 23rd, 2026? Right answer is option C, Election Commission of India. Which state's Nagauri Ashwagandha received a geographical indication tag in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Recently, the Supreme Court of India signed a memorandum of understanding for the exchange of law clerks with which country? Correct answer is option A, Bhutan. Which state has been selected to host the Regional AI Impact Conference in 2026? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Who is the author of the book titled History That India Ignored? Right answer is option C, Prem Prakash. Who assumed office as the new chairman of the Council for Leather Exports in January 2026? Correct answer is option A, Ramesh Kumar Juneja. In January 2026, under which operation did the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence bust a mobile methadone laboratory in the Sahyadri mountain range? Correct answer is option B, Operation Sahyadri Checkmate. During excavations conducted in January 2026, Neolithic era remains were discovered at the Kote Veerabhadreshwar temple premises in Lakkundi, located in the Gadag district of which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Which country introduced a bill in January 2026 to ban social media access for children under the age of 15 in order to protect their mental health? Correct answer is option C, France. Wings India 2026, Asia's largest civil aviation event, was held from January 28 to 31, 2026 at which location? Right answer is option A, Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad. In which country have archaeologists discovered 2000-year-old coins and lapis lazuli fragments from the Bhir Mound area near Taxila? Right answer is option D, Pakistan. Who assumed charge as the Chief Executive Officer of the Unique Identification Authority of India in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Saurabh Vijay. The indigenous dog breed Tangkul Hui, recently inducted by Assam Rifles, belong to which region? Right answer is option C, Manipur. Who won Femina Miss India 2026? Correct answer is option A, Sadhvi Satish Sail. Who inaugurated the first India AI Impact Summit held in New Delhi in February 2026? Right answer is option D, PM Narendra Modi. Which organization launched the Water Forward initiative with the goal of improving water security for more than 1 billion people by 2030? Correct answer is option C, World Bank. In which state was the Northeast's first emergency landing facility inaugurated at Moran? Correct answer is option B, Assam. The Chita Andolan is being carried out in which state to protest against displacement caused by the Ken-Betwa Link project? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state has implemented AI powered facial recognition technology to record MLA attendance for the first time? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which species of penguin has been classified as endangered by the IUCN Red List due to the melting of sea ice in Antarctica? Right answer is option C, emperor penguin. Which scheme provides free medical assistance and timely treatment to road accident victims as approved by PM Narendra Modi? Right answer is option B, PM Rahat scheme. Which masterpiece painted by Raja Ravi Verma became the most expensive Indian painting ever, sold after fetching rupees 167.20 crore at auction? Right answer is option C, Yashoda and Krishna. Scientists recently discovered a new species of night frog named Nyctibatricus kali in the Kali Tiger Reserve. In which state is this reserve located? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which team won the Tata Indian Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which year has been declared as the International Year for Rangelands and Pastoralists? Right answer is option C, 2026. In June 2026, where did Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan launch the nationwide Khet Bachao Abhiyan? Correct answer is option D, Ramsia village, Madhya Pradesh. Which state became the first in India to launch the Marine Spatial Planning Framework in April 2026? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. Which state government has announced the establishment of the country's first human elephant conflict research center? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. In April 2026, where was the foundation stone laid for India's first petroglyph conservation park? Right answer is option A, Leh Ladakh. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit, the highest civilian honor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Norway. According to the Crime in India 2024 report released by the National Crime Records Bureau, which Indian city recorded the highest suicide rate? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Which startup became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Skyroot Aerospace. Which state or union territory has approved the Chief Minister Skill Development Scheme to provide modern skills and financial support to artisans? Right answer is option B, Delhi. What is the new base year set by the Government of India for the calculation of gross domestic product and the index of industrial production? Right answer is option C, 2022 to 23. In February 2026, which state government announced the implementation of QR codes on land ownership documents? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. In January 2026, under the Dawn Raid Doctrine, the US military arrested the president of Venezuela. What is his name? Correct answer is option B, Nicolas Maduro. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.